Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP for 25th March 2021. So this analysis is for 25th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for the next day. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let me take out the pencil and let's see how the chart is doing. So we can see that right now the current market price is 0.8623. Okay, and as we all know, it was in heavy downtrend, okay, for a long time. And right now, after taking or getting some support, it is trading here, okay. And this whole this box, okay, this gray zone is your no trading zone, okay. You do not need to trade. This is your no trading zone. And if you watched my previous videos on Euro GBP, then you probably know it very well that I was telling you to avoid Euro GBP for for last couple of days. But as of now, we can see that if we keep aside the fall, okay, if we keep aside the fall, we can see that right now market is in a range right now. And if I just consider this range, okay, we can see that this is a good position to short the market, is not it? Okay, considering this, so this is the third touch, and this looks like a good position to short the market. Okay, I'll just wait for 2-3 hours, and if you see that, yes, and if it looks convincing to you, okay, then you can short the market, because for me this is a good position to short the market. And if we look at the stochastic RSI also, it tells us that yes, market is in overbought zone for quite some time, and market will come down or go down to take some rest. Okay, so in the resistance we can mention this 0.8639. Okay, so we had no level for last couple of days, but yes, right now we have a level in the form of resistance, this one. This whole box is also resistance, but I do not want to mention it, okay, because the chart was very much peculiar, okay. And if you remember correctly, and I also told you that you can short the market below this point only, okay, below this point only. But as market has got some extreme level of support available at this price level, so you need to be very careful, okay. If you get market below this level, wait for a couple of hours and just observe. If you see that yes, market is under the influence of sellers are dominating the market, okay, then you can short the market below this level. Otherwise, this point also looks very much promising to me. Okay, so if you want to take some risk, okay, then you can short the market here, keep your stop loss here, because let me zoom out the chart and show you something. Because see, market was in downtrend, heavy downtrend, and if we are shorting the market here also, we are not going against the trend, okay. And I have already shown you, this is the third touch. Stochastic RSI is also indicating us that yes, we are in overbought. So considering all the factors, this looks like a good point to short the market. Okay. So rest the decision is yours. Or you can wait for the market to cross this support level 0.8535 level to short the market. Okay. So anyways, this is just the analysis from my point of view, my own analysis. So your opinion may vary, and you can write down your opinion in the comment section. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood my logic and analysis. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow again, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I have started the channel very recently. Okay, so yours comments, subscribe, clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, this encourages me a lot. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you tomorrow again, and do subscribe. Bye bye.